Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Genshin Impact Error Code 10010-4001. The error reads, "You have disconnected data error, please log in again." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players are sent back to the login screen. Many Linux and Steam Deck users have reported the same issue. According to our research, this error is related to ProtonWine compatibility on Linux and Steam Deck and how the anti-cheat loads in that environment. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. After restarting, check if you need to update the game. If there are any pending updates, install them and then try again. If the error still comes, add Genshin Impact.exe and run the game through Proton Beta 10.0-2 or use AAGL. Installing Proton GE has also helped some users fix the problem. So give this a try and check if this helps with the error. If the error persists and you are already using Proton, then try changing the Proton version and start the game directly and see if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, add Genshin Impact.exe to Steam and launch it through Steam with Proton as a compatibility layer. It needs to use the Steam Linux runtime, which somehow bypasses Hoyo Protect for many players, so it does not kick you for not having the kernel anti-cheat. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.